Hey friends, if the Windows speaker is stuck on mute, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, obviously, first of all, you'll try to unmute it from here. But if that doesn't work, simply right click on the start button, select settings, go to system on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And after that, you can update the audio drivers. So search for device manager, open device manager, expand the list of audio and input drivers, right click update driver and update all of the drivers. Okay, one by one. Right click on this one by one. Now, one more thing which that I will prescribe, which is a very simple solution, is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart. Simple, right? And obviously, the last one is to perform system restore if your system was working fine earlier and it is a recent issue. So, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.